Come crochet with me while I share some fall patterns. I know it's still summer, but I am getting ready for those fall patterns just because it takes a while to crochet, and if you're already on top of what you want to crochet, what you want to do, then you should have your patterns ready to go. So one of the things I like to do for fall is crochet like fall themed coasters just to like decorate your space. They are so much fun to crochet, and I'm also gonna leave some links down below for you guys to get to all these patterns in the video. So I've seen a couple like pumpkin ones. There's so many different ones, but I personally enjoy doing the pumpkin ones the best. I did make my own pattern for the coasters, but I don't know if I released it or not. But if I did, it'll be linked down below, like I said. Another thing that I've seen people crochet are like wall hangings, like fall wall hangings. And this is honestly something I've never done because fall hangings, like wall hangings, I mean, not fall hangings. Wall hangings take me a while to crochet, especially because of the pixel grid. So I don't personally like making them, but I've seen so many beautiful ones. And they're honestly beginner friendly because you're just making single crochets, which is very beginner friendly. Another thing is cup cozies, and I've seen so many different ones. Would you believe me if I said that I've never crocheted a cup cozy? I've wanted to do one for about 2 years now and never found a chance to just sit down and crochet one. And here's the granny square I'm crocheting in it in case anybody's interested. I've never found the chance to crochet a cup cozy for myself, and they're so cute. I've seen this one with a tea bag holder on it to hold your tea bag. I don't remember where that pattern is. I think I found it on Hobby Lobby's website, but if I can find it, it'll be linked down below, as well as my Amazon affiliate link, so you don't have to pay any more using my link at all. I get a small commission from Amazon, and I'm gonna link these light up crochet hooks and a couple other crochet items I use. This is a counting light up crochet hook, one of my absolute favorite crochet hooks because it comes with so many exchangeable heads. So you look at that, and it even comes with the charger, the wrench, and a lot of people I've seen complaining about like their crochet hook handle not staying onto the hook head, and I have had no problem with these crochet hooks whatsoever. So make sure you guys just go check the description because I'm gonna have so much stuff linked down there. It's gonna be crazy. Another thing people like to crochet is mesh cardigans, and I absolutely love this idea because in Texas, it doesn't get exceptionally cold in fall. It usually stays in the 70s. So using a mesh cardigan would be great because it's still got some like air and some holes in it. So it will be more like a spring cardigan, if that makes sense. But I'm not gonna link ones that are called spring cardigans because a lot of those have like flowers and stuff. And going into fall, like who wants to see flowers? You wanna see like autumn colors, autumn designs, and I think autumn is like, I like textured stitches in autumn and winter. That's just my opinion. What kind of stitches do you guys like to do in autumn and winter? I like personally the textured stitches, so leave that down in the comments below. Next one is blankets, and I personally am crocheting my own blanket. I want to have 80 random color squares by the end of the year, and I will make sure I show you guys the finished blanket when it's finished. I don't know if I'm gonna have exactly 80 by the end of the year, but I hope to. So it's just gonna be a basic granny square blanket. So I'm crocheting 8 across, 10 down, and then I'm gonna join as you go. So I'm gonna crochet that in either white or black. I haven't decided yet. I feel like black looks too, that's how granny square blankets used to look, where they were random color squares and then black all around. So I don't know if I wanna do that yet just because I don't want it to be so dark. I want it to really make the granny squares shine on the project, so I might use white. Let me know which color you guys would prefer. Like, should I use a gray or something? I have no idea. I need to do some research. These pillowcases or like pillow covers, and I've seen these everywhere lately, especially with granny squares, and I think you could do like such a pretty fall design, like make it with like some greens, some dark reds, some like pumpkin reds is what I'm saying. Or would it be like a pumpkin orange? I think it's more of a pumpkin orange or like a burnt orange. It's burnt orange, isn't it? Yeah, it's burnt orange. So like a burnt orange or like a dark green, just like this one, because as the leaves are starting to turn, I really want to take those colors and just put them everywhere. Isn't fall just like half the beautifulest colors ever? Or most beautiful colors ever. The leaves turn colors, they're falling on the ground. The grass is starting to turn into like a tan. It's just beautiful. This isn't exactly fall themed. I know a lot of people have family over at fall and winter time. So what better thing to do than to crochet some decor for your table? So like a table runner, placemats, cup coasters. So you could have your pumpkin cup coasters, a table runner, the placemats all matching and coordinated. Wouldn't that just look so adorable? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to check the description because I am going to have a bunch of patterns listed down there for you guys. And it's been a while since I made one of these videos. I think I did one and I was like, never again, because linking, if you've ever done YouTube and linking things in the description, it takes forever, especially for me, because I am not good with technology. But please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.